Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you filtration process in unit operation subject. Now let's start the topic. Filtration in the food and beverage industry. It is a critical part of the process. Stirring wound filters and other industrial filters play an important part. Filtration keeps foods fresher, prolongs a snack's shelf life, keeps beverages from spoiling too soon, and helps our veggies to taste and smell more palatable. Filtration plays a critical role in maintaining food processing equipment, including protection of RO membranes used in preparation of potable water or concentration of flavors. Potable water is a critical ingredient in many foodstuffs, such as reconstituted juices, and is also used for washing and rinsing of vegetables, meats, etc. And equipment can be used for dilution of concentrated cleaning chemicals. Any filtration steps applicable to potable water are also useful in the food and beverage industry. A recent issue of a newsletter explained how a manufacturer of salads improved the smell of their product by using activated carbon filters from Delta Pure Filtration on their rinse water. Submicron rated filters are often used to remove spoilage microorganisms. Even extending shelf life by 3 days can, if in many cases, provide enormous economic value to the food manufacturer, the entire distribution channel, and ultimately to the consumer. As consumers, we often associate food with the final ingested products. There are behind the scenes fluids that are also filtered, such as flavorings, enzymes, and nutrients. These ingredients are often made by a chemical or biotech company and sold to the food manufacturer. Utility fluids such as water, compressed air, HVAC, air steam, and even the ink used to print labels are all filtered. Of these utility fluids, most involved with the water. It is important to select materials that are qualified with the contact with foodstuffs. In the USA, a common approach is to select materials that are FDA listed in the US Code of Federal Regulations. Manufacturers of food, from vitamin laden health foods to sugar infused candy, are required by regulation to plan ahead to prevent potential problems. Food manufacturers worldwide engage in HACCP, often pronounced HACCP, which stands for Hazards Analysis and Critical Control Points. HACCP is a management system for assuring food safety advocated by the World Health Organization and many local governments. In the USA, for example, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, requires the analysis and control of any hazard, whether biological, chemical, or physical, in the entire food process, including raw material production, procurement and handling, manufacturing, distribution, and even the consumption of the finished product. While some food production plants will rely on the quality of the municipal water supply, others will decide the HACCP compels them to implement additional filtration and purification on their water at the point of views. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for